Well, efforts to revive the BJP and the PDP coalition in Jammu and Kashmir has now hit another roadblock. The BJP has made it clear that it will not accept any conditions for government formation in the state. PDP sources, however, say none of the demands are new and BJP is letting down the people of Jammu and Kashmir by not agreeing to implement the agenda of the alliance.
जो स्थिति 2 महीने से चल रही है वो स्थिति आज भी बरकरार है.
A day after sign of a thaw came the freeze. PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti met BJP President Amit Shah on Thursday. Sources in both the parties indicated it was a step forward. But now, top sources say talks have hit a dead end. Mehbooba Mufti wanted tangible action on handing over 2 hydel power projects to Jammu and Kashmir, scaling down on Armed Forces Special Powers Act. The BJP claims it had enough and it won't accept preconditions for government formation.
चल रही सरकार में मुख्यमंत्री पद पर जो मुफ्ती साहब मौजूद थे वे नहीं रहे. उनके स्थान पर और एक नेता को मुख्यमंत्री पद के लिए चुनने का दायित्व पीडीपी पर था. पीडीपी को दायित्व पूरा करके आगे बढ़ना था. हर राज्य सरकार को केंद्र से बात करके जो आवश्यक चीजों को मांगने का अधिकार होता है, बट सरकार को कंडीशंस पर बनाना संभव नहीं है.
But PDP sources have told NDTV it has set no new conditions. All issues under negotiation already agreed to in Agenda of Alliance. Finance Minister gave an assurance in Parliament that the BJP has started acting on PDP's demands. Army released land for development projects on Thursday. Flood rehab funds disbursal has been increased, but PDP and BJP rivals are questioning the deadlock. Omar Abdullah tweeted, "Watch how Mehbooba Mufti will now try and claim that her party wasn't asking for anything new and how the Prime Minister has let down Jammu and Kashmir."
If a state assembly does not meet for 6 months, rule says it faces dissolution. In the case of Jammu and Kashmir, it can mean midterm election. That deadline is April 9th. Sources are saying, yes, all hopes are over as far as government formation in Jammu and Kashmir between the PDP and the BJP is concerned. But then, in politics, it's never over till it really happens. In New Delhi, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.